This is Frank Burke, and today I've got out a sort of MiG-19-ish design, just using a simple BT-80 2.6-inch lightweight body tube. I've cut the rear end with a little scallop to mimic the exhaust on the real airplane. This is a 6mm depron for the wings and tail. You can see the top view. I've compressed it a little bit so that the wing is a little further back, closer to the tail, just for CG reasons, because this one's right at 6 ounces ready to fly, just kind of on the edge of what I like for that 18mm D2.3 rocket motor. It's just a simple hollow tube. The electronics are up here as far forward as they can in the nose. It's just vinyl markings that I hand cut, and a Sharpie pen for panel lines, and then the servos, for CG reasons, I've moved the servos and inset them up as far as I could under the nose and used some little guide tubes to support the rod so I could move that weight forward, and that avoided having to use any nose weight at all, which is how I prefer it. So we're going to give this a couple of flights. This is a little bit of a downscale of a model I did based on 3-inch heavier tubing that I used the 24mm motors for that flew real well. On this one I just used hinged surfaces instead of fully movable surfaces. The rocket motor is offset a little bit above the tail. Normally I like it in line with the principal drag, mostly in line with the wing, but because of the carbon spar in the tail, since it goes through the body tube, that was in the way of the motor mount because the spar is a little further back, so I had to set the body tube up above the tail. So that'll cause it to pitch down just a little bit on boost, but the drag of the tail normally starts to compensate as it gets faster and straighten it up, so we'll see how that works.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, Yeah, this one is also 6 ounces, so it's a little heavier.
Mm-hmm.
Less wing area. And plus it rises.